Creating a media container within the web content management system. A media container supports both an image or a video. In this video, I will show you how to create a media container with an image. If you want to create a media container with a video, please see the media container video. Also, in order to create a media container with an image, you will first need to upload that image to Assets. In order to complete that task, please refer to the Adding Assets video. Creating a media container with an image. First, once you have uploaded your assets, locate your content area of your KU General Content page. Then within that content area, select an empty component or create an empty component by either selecting the gear icon and the plus or the add new. You can also select that gear icon and the minus to get rid of any components that you do not need. Once you have an empty component, select the Create button in the lower right corner. Give this component a name. This name will help you determine what content is what as you go back into your page and edit it at a later date. And then in the drop-down, select the type of component you wish to create. In this instance, it would be a KU media container. And then Create. In this container, we will say what we want in that container. In this instance, we will select Create in that bottom right, give it a name, and we will select either an image or a type of video. In this video, I will show you an image. In the media container video, I will show you all the types of videos you can create. And then once here, you will see the image area within the component. Select the arrow next to Assets, arrow next to Departments and Offices. Find your department or office in the alphabetical folders. For training purposes, I will come to our stock photography under Images and Photo Gallery. I will select the image I wish to choose in my media component, and then confirm by selecting the Confirm button in the bottom right corner of that asset window. Now I will need to give the image alternative text. This is the text that is read back by assistive technology if a user is viewer impaired and using software to navigate a web page. For example, this image I would describe as a silhouette of the old Main clock tower and treetops in black against a vibrant red sunset sky. So then I would type that description into my text area. And then if I just want the image to be within the page layout, I would stop there. But if I did want a title, description, and or link, I could fill that out. and link. You can refer to the hyperlink video to see more information on the different types of hyperlinks available to you within components. Internal, external, or document. I will, for example, say an external link. Type that link here, and then give the link name of www.google.com to be Google search engine, for example. Now that I have that information filled out, I can save by selecting the icon that looks like a computer disk in the row underneath your tabs. And then next, I will say preview in that same row of icons. Toward the end, the icon that looks like a computer monitor. And this will show you what it would look like within a browser. How the image shows up, the title, the content, and the search or the link. Now, if I did not want that title, content, or link underneath, and it can be any combination of it. So if I just wanted a link, I would just fill out that link information. But if I did not want that link, I would just not fill any of that information in. Save and preview. And you will see now it is just an image. And that is creating a media container containing an image within the content management system.